today I am showing you that how to replace touch LCD glass for an iPhone 5s. Come on, let me explain you how does it works. This is iPhone 5s display and this is iPhone 5s LCD glass. And the tools which you need for this is you need a roller and a cloth for stain remover and stain remover liquid and a sharp knife cutter. Now I've been already removed separated a display and a display glass separated. Now what I'll show you is now how to put a OCA on a display and after that how to fit the display glass on it. See, some layer thing which will stick on a iPhone display. This will be on a, you will be getting on different kind of sizes. Even it is too big, you can fit, you can stick on it. After that you can cut it. I'll show you how does it works. See. Thing which you need to cut it through a sharp knife. See, after cutting the whole edge, now it looks like this. Make sure that there is no bubble on an OCA. Stop on this. See friends, this is the OCA layer, upper layer which I am removing now. Now the OCA thing has been removed. See, without a, I am putting it without a die. For normal iPhone thing which you need for fixing it up, you need a die actually, but I am showing you how to fix it without a die. See, now it's got fixed without a die. See friends, now it is in this state now. Now it's been completely fixed now. And now I'm showing you this how to use it through a machine. After this OCA and everything, we need to use it, keep it for a pressing on a machine. See, I'll show the process how does it works. Use this foam and you will be getting this die over a machine. Just put inside of it. Close the door. That's it. After it's been completed. After completing the process, now it has been got completely clear. Now there is some bubbles. The thing is completely clear. You can make out some bubbles in it. For the bubble clearing, you need to use a thing. Wait, I'll show you how it does. Even I'll show you the process of the bubble remover also. Keep a LCD inside a in this one you just should use a LCD bubble. Friends, now it's been done and removing the display. See friends, there is no bubble or nothing. It's completely been fixed properly. Now come on friends, let's check the quality of a display. See friends, now it is completely working. See friends. This is a process which we have been done without a die. For iPhone, if you want to replace a display or display glass, means you need a die like this. This is an iPhone 6 die. You need this die plate for fixing a display, and we have done a process without this die. It's got been success, and even you people also can work with it.